Hey guys, I wanted to give you a quick overview of the SMART program and so you can use your smartboard in class. The program is already uploaded to your computer, so if you come down in the corner and type SMART, you'll see the Smart Notebook 11 app, so you can go ahead and click that. This is a program that you're probably going to want to use, so just as soon as it loads, I'm going to go ahead and right click on that app down here, and I'm going to pick Pin to Taskbar. That way I always see it down here in the bottom. So what it opens is basically like a paint program. So if you've got a background screen, you can write down anything you want. You can erase using the eraser, you can draw shapes, so you have a lot of freedom there. But as you're starting to plan lessons and figure out what you want to do, you can do things like, maybe we're going to use a number line in class, so I'm going to take a snippet of that number line. And so I can take a snippet of that number line, put it on that background screen, I can paste it. Now I've got a number line that's interactive. I can talk about the square root of 2 being 1 point something, and so I'll have a square root of 2. And so we can talk about how does that value compare to other numbers. And so that's just a little overview there. One other nice tool that you can do is if you go to View and you click Transparent Background, you now have the ability to navigate everything that's on that screen. So if you want to actually write over your desktop, if you want to open up a Word document, you have that ability as well. And so once again, the way that I was able to do that was I did View and Transparent Background. This is just the very basics, but I wanted to give you just a quick little heads up on a few important tools.